You take pride in your team, your space, and your operation. So safety should never be an afterthought. From guarding your racks to protecting your crew, we're here to make your warehouse safer. Safer, smarter, and stronger. We understand the risks. That's why we offer the right solutions, installed right, and built to last. Everything we do is to save you space, time, and money. Every piece of protection is an investment in your people, your equipment, and your future. When you're protected, productivity follows. Let's build a safer warehouse together. Don't wait for a close call to make the call. Reach out today and let's walk your space, assess your risks, and create a custom safety plan that fits your operation. Safety starts with one step. Make it the right one. Get a free quote today. Go to atlanticrack.com now.